Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify version control for design files in Dropbox. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify version control for design files in Dropbox, start by opening the Dropbox application on your computer. Navigate to the folder that contains your design files. Locate the specific design file you want to verify. Right-click on the file to open the context menu. Select the option labeled Version History. A new window will display all the previous versions of the selected file. You will see a list of dates and times corresponding to each version. Click on a specific version to preview it in the side panel. To restore a previous version, click the Restore button. Confirm the restoration when prompted. Once restored, the file will revert back to the selected version. You can also download previous versions if you wish to keep them as separate files. For more detailed version information, you can check the file activity log. This log shows a complete history of actions taken on the file, including uploads and edits. If you need to share a specific version, use the Share option next to the version you want. This allows you to send a link to collaborators for easy access. Ensure that you communicate any changes to your team after verifying the version control. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and verify your design files in Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.